to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I am in a different setting. It's my room only, but like I've switched my position a little bit from that side to this side, and I've got new equipment. I have a new ring light with a tripod, so I can easily like put my phone there. So without blabbering a lot about what's new and whatnot, let's just get to the makeup video that I'm gonna make today. So I'm trying to turn myself into an Instagram baddie with like black lips and like crazy eyeshadow which looks glam and a little bit of goth. I'm like envisioning kind of that kind of a look in my head. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna prime my face using this Ferrero Rocher Zero Pore Separation Cream. It's a silicone primer and it works really well on my face. Next I'm obviously gonna color correct with my favorite color corrector, Jelly Cover. I look like a I look so red, oh my god. I look so ridiculous. Anyways, I'm gonna move on to highlighting and concealing. And today I'm gonna use cream products to make my face look dewy. So the contouring that I'll be doing and the blush that I'll be applying it using cream products. But first I'm gonna go in with the concealing. So I have done the concealing. I'm using the Ferrero Rocher cream contour kit. And I'm gonna use this color for contouring and obviously this color for blush. So I've done the cream contouring. I chose the darker color as well because I'm going to apply the foundation on top of all of this. And the blush color in this palette is very light. It was not showing on camera, so I mixed a little bit of the red lipstick in it as well. And I think my nose contour is going to be very sharp. And also I'm using a beauty blender after so long. I've been away from some of the makeup stuff for some time, but मेरा record हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? Yes, I've been away for some time, but now I'm back, so let's do it. So for foundation today I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. So when I bought this concealer, the foundation, it turned out to be very light on me. I purchased number 2, but I should have bought 3. Then to fix it, I purchased this 310 number Sun Beige powder, Fit Me compact powder, and it corrected it. So obviously the cream contouring and blush did not work. So I did a little contouring and blush using my powder contours. They're gonna be the best for me. I'm not gonna rely on cream again. Although I know how to do it, but I just don't know today. My mind is kind of not in the right state. Hence these mistakes. So I managed to do my eyebrows the best job that I could do with them, because as you can see there's a lot of growth. So first I used this dark brown color on the crease, and to buff it out I'm gonna use this color right here just to buff it out a little bit on the edges. So I think I'm gonna make my eyes look a little more darker. So I'm gonna go in with this color from the Kylie palette, and I'm gonna just use it a little bit more on the crease. Now I'm gonna use a pencil brush, and I'm gonna use this burgundy kind of color mainly only on the crease, just on the outer V corner. I'm gonna use this black color, this one from my eyebrow palette, but because I don't use black on my eyebrows, nobody should ever do it. Lastly, I'm gonna fill my entire crease. Use this color over here. My eyes look a little bit complete. Now let's move on to the lower lash line. On the lower lash line, I'm gonna use this color from the eyebrow palette first, and then I'm gonna smoke it out more using this color from the Kylie palette. So my lower lash line is also done. I look like a freaking raccoon. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line my upper lash line and I'm gonna smoke out the eyeliner as well a little bit to make the look more grunge. I'm gonna do my waterline with a burgundy color if I have. If not, I'll just do it with brown, or not black but maybe brown or something like that. So yeah, first let me do that, and then I'm gonna come back and show you. I'm gonna do the lashes and come back. Actually, I'm gonna do the whole eye and show it to you.
A few moments later.
Okay, so a lot of shit happened by the time I was doing my eyes. Everything is lost. First of all, I can't find half of my stuff, and my eyeshadow and eyeliner, I don't know why it was not sitting on this outer V. It was just coming off all the time. I don't know why. So it took me a lot of time to fix this eye, and then something went in my lenses, so I had to remove my lenses and put them again. So the waterline was also disturbed, and I had to fix a lot of things. Then after that, this lash of mine broke. It doesn't look broken because I fixed it in a way that it looks, you know, fine, but it broke. So yeah, a lot of shit happened. The only things left are the highlighter and the lipstick. So let's do all of the stuff and get this look over with. I'll be using the Master Chrome by Maybelline, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. So I think it's gonna complement the burgundy eyes that I did, the dark burgundy eyes. So I'm gonna use this one. I have applied the highlighter as well. I think it looks lovely with this whole makeup that I've done. So the lips are done, and I did a little bit of highlighting in between the lips as well. Anyways, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna do my hair and then I'll be back. Ta-da! So here is the finished look, guys. I am happy with this look because the eyes look fine after the lashes were on. Lashes actually save any look, any possible look, and these lashes can save any look in the world. Like, obviously, look at them. So yeah, obviously the earrings are matching with the jacket because the jacket has this gold chain thingy in it, and I thought I'll just leave my hair flowing just like that. Anyways, this is how an Instagram baddie looks according to my opinion. This is the final look, you guys, and I'm so happy after all the mishaps that happened. I feel very bad for this lash because it broke from between, because I love these lashes. I don't think I can get these type of lashes. If you know where you can get these type of lashes, please comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.